Welcome back. I'm back home in the studio, so no more funny lighting, seagull sounds, or trash trucks. So we can jump right in. However, I just realized I didn't unpack my bells. Oh, my chimes. There we go. Back together again. So I was thinking I would love us to be open really fully to the possibility of miracles in our lives. I mean, let's just take in that beautiful energy with the intent that it breaks away any blocks we've put up to receiving continuous miracles, and then expect them. Know you will get them. And I'm so excited about this idea. It kind of hit me this morning that I want to do it Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, today, tomorrow, and the next day. So it's all about being open to miracles. So sometime during the day, expect something that would be completely unexpected as confirmation you are doing the proper clearing. Let's get started. Lord's Prayer and prayer of protection. For those who are just joining us, it's always a must. You protect yourself even in meditation, not just in doing your intuition. We'll do a simple guided meditation. I will be quiet for a few moments. Not an easy task for me. We will end it with the little chime. So you know I'm going to start speaking again. As we come out, we close with the 23rd Psalm. Repeat the prayers or repeat them at least in your head or say them with me if you know them. All right, let's take a deep breath and relax. Just close your eyes and invite yourself to relax and let go. Take another deep breath. And as you exhale, release any tension in your body. Scan your body now. Bring your single focus of your mind and just scan through your body and notice if there's a place where there's a little discomfort. Sometimes tightening that place that's a little discomforted and releasing the muscles helps it to relax even more. So if you're carrying stress in your shoulders, crunch them up. Hold for a second and just let it go. And it relaxes even further. Do that through the rest of your body for just a moment. Now let us bring our attention up to our forehead, between our eyebrows, which is our third eye, and to the top of our head, our crown chakra. These are the places where the divine connects to our humanity. This is where the energy continuously flows in. All the gifts of the Spirit, all the endless blessings, all the miracles, and all the intuitions. So let's just allow that energy to keep flowing in. Not that we can stop it, but let us bring our attention to it fully. And watch it as it moves through our body, filling us fully. Filling our heads, getting a little lighter, almost feeling like you're drifting. Filling your neck, like your head and your neck are lifting away from the physical body. Lifting just slightly in front of you, not fully away. Down into your chest and your arms and your hands. Notice how they're starting to feel like they're floating just above your physical body. Your trunk, your seat, your legs, all the way to your ankles. Now your body's just floating above your physical body. And we release at the feet. We're still attached. We're just floating there. Because the energy is just lifting our spirit, renewing it, restoring it. And in this moment, we will say our prayers of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Notice how the energy that is you expanded and became more excited as you say prayers of protection, almost more energized. We are now going to focus on a clear beam of light, or whatever color you choose, that will clear any blocks that you have from totally accepting miraculous things occurring in your life. So just see that beautiful color streaming through you, your physical body, as well as the spiritual part of you. And notice just in front of the spiritual part that's floating just above your physical body, there is this more shadowy type of body. That is your mental body. That is extremely important that we bring that beam over to the mental, because it is our mental thoughts that block the miracles. And let's invite it to be part of this process. Let's invite it to relax and trust in the higher and divine power, and invite it to accept this beautiful color and heal the conversations and the mental distractions that prevent the miracles from occurring. And we will sit quietly for a few moments as we feel and enjoy this clearing. Let us pull our mental self back into the spiritual. And as we drop our spirit fully back into our bodies, we're closing with the 23rd Psalm, which will seal us up and make us whole. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. That was extremely powerful. I was immediately, my energy was in a rocking motion. Some of you might notice that when you get very deep, your body feels like it's moving or spinning, moving side to side or front and back, spinning. These are very common sensations, but you're feeling the energy movement through you. And it's really fun. It's just cool. It's like, wow, okay, that's nice. Now back to my focus, because you don't want to get distracted. I'll see you all tomorrow where we will continue and hopefully see a lot of you on Facebook tonight. I'm just getting out the promotion, but Chris and I are going to talk about 3 very easy techniques that you can use daily to get answers, as well as answer your questions. But remember, if you have specific questions, you have to be logged into that webinar. It's limited to 100 people inside of it, making it easy for us to get through the chatter and all the talk, like we're just focused on that. So it's just a technique to help us control what we're looking at. See you tonight, I hope. Otherwise, tomorrow morning. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.